Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to manage all your white balance settings. So at first we need to go to the left where all the settings are here and scroll to the settings itself. Here we have to go to the all settings and scroll to the picture. Here we have to scroll down to the expert settings. And here we have to scroll down till we see our option called white balance. And be prepared, here we have a lot of options. At first we need to enter the 2-point. And here we do have, as you can see, red gain, green and blue gain. Red offset, green offset and blue offset. We can increase or decrease the red gain, blue gain, green gain and blue gain. And same as with the red offset, green offset and blue offset. And here 20-point settings is available when your source is not PC. But here we can manage our options too. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.